We're waiting on a few more people to show up, but we're cruising up to Caffeine and Octane 250 year anniversary of America. We're gonna see something crazy. God, look at that. V-mount. All right, guys, so we're at Caffeine and Octane. It is extremely hot, so bear with me. Let's see what we got today and see what kind of cool builds we'll be able to find here. Bro, this car is absolutely insane. They have a 720S. What's really interesting about this is actually an Assetto Corsa. I like to drive this car. This is my preferred car. They even have the livery, the classic HP Tuners livery that comes on this. This is super cool. I don't know. The scooter takes it for me, bro. Yeah, right. the scooter is the one, bro. 70 psi, just 20. It has its own elevator. They don't even tell you what size they are. Yeah, it's like, I don't know. It's all it is.
It's 28 large.
Yeah, 28 large. Hell yeah. Bro, ain't no way he drives this on the street, bro.
It's really loud, so
okay.
I wouldn't stand.
Oh, there's no. Wow, 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 wow.
Like 5'6". So really, so we can probably take it.
Bro, yeah, it's a yo, like, bro, somebody got to explain this car to me, bro.
You're just rowdy as 762 horsepower though.
Yo. Oh, it's too late. Oh. Got that eco boost. Oh, it's broken. Gotta show the TEs, bro. Seen Initial D? Forester. That's dope. Oh, Lord. Oh, God, look at the paint on that Dude, I am sweating so bad. It is over 90 degrees outside. Look how far back that engine sits, bro. Dude, look. They're like, all right, time to change the oil. But one of my friends invited me to a spot where they're taking pictures, so we're gonna go there real quick and see what they're doing.